Although turmeric has century-long use in the Eastern culinary tradition, it has only recently started to gain recognition in the Western world as well. What makes this spice so popular is the fact that aside from improving the taste of many dishes, it abounds in health benefits such as fighting inflammation, eliminating toxins, and slowing down the aging process, just to name a few. The amazing medicinal properties of turmeric are the result of its active ingredient, curcumin, which has been proved to be extremely health beneficial by scientific research. One way to introduce this spice into your diet is to add it to your favorite recipes. But, if you are not the cooking type, you can still reap the health benefits of turmeric by mixing it with warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. We provide 10 good reasons why you should start drinking warm turmeric water today. 1. Fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the body that lasts a long time has been linked to a number of serious health issues, including arthritis, indigestion, and even cancer. On the other hand, it has been revealed that curcumin is extremely effective in reducing this type of inflammation, and that it gives better results than anti-inflammatory drugs. 2. Protects the brain. Increased levels of the growth hormone, known as brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, have been identified as one of the causes of dementia and Alzheimer's. However, curcumin can effectively reduce this hormone, thus helping the brain to function properly. 3. Fights cancer. Curcumin is abundant in powerful antioxidants, which makes it an efficient anti-cancer tool. 4. Improves digestion. Regular turmeric intake has proved highly beneficial for improving digestion and overall digestive system function. 5. Protects the heart. A study published in the Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin in 2011 found that turmeric prevents blood clotting and eliminates arterial plaque buildup. Another study conducted by researchers from the University Niigata of Pharmacy and Applied Life Sciences in Japan revealed that curcumin significantly improved heart health in rats after 3 weeks of implementing curcumin in their diet. 6. Reduces symptoms of arthritis. The 2012 RA study found that although curcumin is not a steroid, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory ingredient, NSAID, which is stronger and more beneficial than diclofenac, because it reduces pain and swelling faster. 7. Makes you look and feel younger. Owing to the fact that curcumin fights free radicals in the body, as well as chronic inflammation, it improves your vitality and helps you stay in good health. 8. Reverses type 2 diabetes. According to a 2009 study conducted by the University of Auburn, and published by the Biochemistry and Biophysical Research Communications, turmeric can reverse type 2 diabetes. 9. Protects the liver. Turmeric not only forms a protective barrier for the liver to fight toxins more easily, but it also regenerates damaged liver cells. Plus, turmeric significantly improves your gallbladder function too. 10. Alkalizes the body. Turmeric is alkaline, which means it neutralizes the acidic environment in the body, which has repeatedly been linked to cancer. Want to make the turmeric water? Here is how. The method of preparation is very simple. Take about 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, a dash of black pepper, to improve the absorption of turmeric in the body, and mix these in a cup of warm water. Stir constantly until the ingredients dissolve well. Drink while it's still warm.